Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a company called Thirumalai Chemicals. So this is a chemical company you can see, and they are engaged in the business of phthalic anhydride, food ingredients and fine products, and fine and personal care ingredients. So they are making, or they are involved in this preparation of all these things. And this is a company with a market capitalization of around 2,879 crore. Current price is around 281. Yearly high is 285. Yearly low is 67.1. So last 1 year you can see it has given a return of almost 300%. You can say last 3 years also this particular company has given 26.4%. Last 5 year also the return is very positive, that is 37.9%. Debt to equity is low, that is 0.23, and promoter is having a holding of around 41.9%. And if you look at the chart of this that is this particular stock, you can see from 7th May, that was on in 2020, it was 95, trading at 95 rupees, but currently it is trading at 281 rupees. So it is from here you can see from May onwards the stock price is keep on increasing. So recently I think in August 2021 it came to a low of around 161. After that you can see there is a huge rally from that price. So currently it is at 281. So it is looking very good, this particular company. And the advantage of this company is going to give a very good quarter this time. And there are some negatives about this particular company. This particular company has delivered poor sales growth of around 2.92 for the past 5 years. Company has a low return on equity of 12.72% for the last 3 years. Dividend payout has been low at 12.39% of the profit over the last years. And if you look at the PE of this particular company compared to the other companies, you can see the PE is very low, that is 14.19. So that is looking this particular company little attractive, you can say. And ROE, ROC value is also looking 19.55 and 16.33. So book value is also around 3.59, you can see. So that is also good. And if you see the EPS, that is 19.82, so that is also okay, but compared to the other companies it is little less. But recently, because of the performance of recent quarters, this company is growing in a very fast way. So for the quarterly results you can see, that is from September 2018 to June 2021. So last 4 quarters you can see that is 17 crore, 37, 85, 65. So it is performing very well. So that you can clearly see in the price of that is the chart of this particular company. And if you see the consolidated profit and growth, net profit is keep on increasing, except in this year, that is March 2015, it is minus 14. All other years it is you can see it is positive. Current TTM is also good, that is T03, that is 203. That is also looking good. So you can see the net profit is keep on increasing every year. Especially the last 3-4 years it is looking very good. That is this company is making very good profit. So if you see the compounded sales growth, that is very good, 51%. Compounded profit is 2349%. That is looking very attractive. And stock price CAGR is also almost 300%. And return on equity is also looking positive, that is 16%. And now we will go to the technical chart of this particular company. So this is the monthly chart of this particular company. So you can see for a long time, that is from 1st November, or from its IPO started in 1999. So this is a very old company, you can see more than 20 or 30 years. That is January 99, 2009, 2009. I think 20-21 years it is this particular company is there, but their stock price is actually remains constant, like it is 12, 13 like that. So from here, that is March 16 onwards, it started rising and it went to a high of around 254 level. Then after that you can see there is a corresponding fall, and this during the pandemic time, that is 1st April, you can see it touched a low of around 35 level. But from there it is keep on increasing, and currently you can see the last 3-4 months the stock, this candle clearly shows the growth of this particular company, and every month it is making very higher highs, you can say, and it is stock is moving at very high speed, you can say, and very good volume also there. RSI is looking good, that is 84 in the monthly chart. And if you look at the RSI in the weekly chart also, that is looking good, that is around 81. So that shows the speed of the this particular stock, that is growth of this particular company. And daily also you can see the RSI is rising. That is currently the RSI is around 80 81 level. So clearly you can see there is a very huge, with a huge volume it is trading, and it is going very fast. And last 2 days especially the growth of this particular company is very good. So you can clearly see from the monthly chart, you can clearly see the this has crossed this particular resistance. So this depth, you can see this depth is around if you calculate this depth is, so this step target if you keep, then you can see this is exactly coming around 460 or 462 level. So you can keep a target of around 460, and stop loss you can keep it below 200 level. And if you are buying this particular company, definitely it is a, you will give a, it will give a very good return. That is more than 85% you can see from this level to here. So sometimes it may come and retest at this level, that is around 230 level, 240 level. So from there again it will go, definitely it can go to a target of around 460. So those who have patience and wait for some few weeks or 2 3 months, definitely it can go to this particular target. And it is in a very bullish mode. So RSI is all the monthly, weekly and daily it is above 60, and that shows this company stock prices keep on rising. Okay, so those who are interested, you can go and invest in this particular company and wait for this particular target. So I hope it will definitely give you a very good return for all of you. So try to inform this information to as many people as possible. I hope my video was very useful to you. So I am not a SEBI registered investor. So just you also take care, that is you just make sure and go through all these chart from your level also, and take a decision of your own. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot. All the best for your trading and investing.